Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mid-taper fade. This popular haircut features a gradual transition from longer hair on top to very short hair at the neckline and sideburns. The fade typically begins around the midpoint of the head, offering a balanced and sharp appearance. You will need clippers, trimmers, and several guard sizes from 0 to about a number 3 to achieve this precise style. To begin, make sure the hair is completely clean and dry, then comb it thoroughly. Section off the top portion of the hair, securing it with a clip so it does not interfere with the fade. Next, using your clippers with a 0 or 1/2 guard, create your first guideline. This line should be about 1 inch above the ear, extending around the head. Now, let's blend. Attach a number 1 guard and create a new guideline about 1/2 inch above your first line. Continue this process, increasing your guard size by half a number each time, moving upwards. Use a gentle flicking motion as you reach the top of each section to avoid creating harsh lines. This technique ensures a smooth, seamless transition between lengths. For the final touches, use your trimmers to clean up the neckline and around the ears, ensuring crisp, sharp edges. Take a moment to carefully inspect the fade from all angles, looking for any dark spots or areas that need further blending. A small amount of styling product can then be applied to enhance the texture and hold the style in place, completing your polished mid-taper fade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.